What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we finally got our November drone drop of 2019. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing and see exactly what we got inside for this month. Alrighty. Looks like we got a battery strap. Looks like 3 sets of props. Looks like Johnny Freestyle props. They are... Let's see what tells me what size they are. They're the Azure props. Let's see if it tells me what size on here. I don't think it has a size on here, but they're 5-inch props, definitely. And we got 3 sets of those. Looks like we got ourselves a neck strap, an FX neck strap. Cool. Looks like we got ourselves a solder sucker. This is a lot nicer than the one I have. I do use a solder sucker a lot, but usually it's not related to FPV. Maybe sometimes I'll use it to get, you know, big blobs of solder off the flight controller, but mostly I use it for other projects. And then looks like for the boost this month, we got ourselves an Omnibus F4 version 5. Really? That's like, this thing is super old. Super old. Man. And then there's some stickers we got for the month. But yeah, that should pretty much do it for the month of November. I don't think it really was worth waiting for. What were we waiting on? The neck strap? I mean, this is really the only thing that's ethics related. Unless it's the flight controller. Like, that doesn't make any sense. But yeah, that should do it. So I'll see you guys in a future video. If you haven't already, subscribe. I do Dronedrop, FPV crate, along with quad box. Hopefully, I should get the November quad box here soon. So we'll see what's going on with that here shortly. But to everybody else, I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.